this is section 1, number 2. It says find the value of x and yz if we know that y is somewhere in between x and z. So let me draw this line first here, and this line is going to be used for both. And we know that on this line there is an x and a y. Those are the endpoints, and we know that y is somewhere in between. So this line is xz and y is somewhere in that middle. This is going to be used for both, so I'm going to just draw it for both. Okay. All right. Here it says 5x for a is xy, so this is 5x here. Okay. Then we know that yz is also x. Then we know that xy is 25. So this through here is 25. So let's try to get x. Well, we can set up this equation. 5x is equal to 25 because xy is 5x and xy is also 25. If we divide 5 to both sides, we get x is equal to 5. That is the x value. Now we want to know what the yz value is. Okay, so the yz value, oh, in this case, it's just x. So we can say it's just 5. So yz is just 5 here. Okay. All right, let's label this xy, which is going to be 2x plus 1. And then we have yz is 6x. Then we know that xy is 81. So we know that this is 81 here of xy. All right, so we could set up this equation. 2x plus 1 is equal to 81. Now we can solve by subtracting 1 on both sides, getting 2x equals to 80, dividing 2 to both sides, get x is equal to 40. Now you want to solve for yz like the equation asked for. Yz is 6x. We substitute in that 40. We have, I think, 240 in for the value of yz. So there you go.